What's up, market mavens? U.S. stock futures are climbing and Wall Street is buzzing. Trade tensions are easing and Fed officials are hinting at rate cuts sooner than expected. Dow Jones up 1.2%, S&P 500 gained 2%. Nasdaq a sweet rise of about 2.7%. China's playing nice, possibly pausing its 125% tariff on some U.S. goods. More tariff talk optimism's in the air with potential deals with India and South Korea, even though China's still a question mark. Big news from Google parent Alphabet smashing Q1 expectations with boosted dividends and a whopping $70 billion in stock buybacks. Their stock jumped 3% on this news. But not all tech giants are partying. Intel's disappointing outlook sent shares nosediving by over 6% after hours. The company's struggling with uncertainty, but they're staying disciplined and focusing on core products. That's the scoop, folks. Keep an eye on these market movers and shakeups. Stay financially savvy till next time.